If you always wanted to know how to make chiles en vinagre or pickled jalapenos Mexican style, you came to the right place. Today I'm gonna show you how to make them. We're gonna start sauteing the ingredients. Make sure you have a large pot because here you're gonna cook all of it eventually. So first we're gonna saute it. The pot is hot and I'm gonna add the oil. First we're gonna saute the onion. These are half slices. It's a whole onion. And also 5 chopped cloves of garlic. You're gonna stir often so they all get oil. These are ready. Make sure they're not too cooked, otherwise it's the consistency is not the same. So we're gonna save them here for now until we get all the other ingredients sauteed. We're gonna add more oil. And now we're gonna saute the jalapenos. This is mostly jalapenos. I have some mixed serranos that I grew in my garden, so these are all homegrown. I got about a little bit over a pound of peppers. So we're gonna add them. They're also semi-raw, don't cook them too much. Now I have 4 carrots chopped in slices like this. You can do 2 to 4. I love carrots, so I added 4. Once the carrots are sauteed, we're gonna add 2 cups of white vinegar. And 2 cups of water, the same amount. We're gonna add salt to taste. Five bay leaves and a pinch of oregano. I'm also adding some fresh marjoram. And we're gonna cover so they cook more evenly. They just started boiling. As soon as they start boiling, we're gonna add the peppers. Do not let them boil for long, otherwise they're not crunchy. Now we're gonna mix all of the ingredients. We're just gonna cover, and as soon as they start boiling, they're gonna be done. You don't cook them for too long. And they just started boiling, so we're just gonna cover and turn them off and let them sit there. That way they cook all the way, but then with the heat off. And then we're gonna give them a try. Now I'm gonna try the pickled jalapenos. I got 2 yards of this size. I'm having them with my favorite lunch, 2 fried eggs, and these are the vegetables that I love with it. This is good, but with this is perfect. So I'm gonna make a taco. My friends, these pickled jalapenos are awesome. You're gonna love them. Highly recommend it.